Do you need to learn music theory before you start learning to play the guitar? Hi, I'm Scott from Learn Beginner Guitar Online, and I'm going to show you another myth of what might be putting you off from starting to learn this great instrument. Okay, so introducing theory from the start can be quite overwhelming. Now, there's some complex and unfamiliar concepts which can be quite mind-boggling at times, especially if you're not even used to actually playing the guitar. But eventually, you will learn this sort of theory because it will enhance your appreciation and your understanding of what you're playing. But when you first start playing the guitar, it's all about enjoying it. Now, and not getting bogged down with theory. I'd rather everybody go out of a lesson being able to play anything, rather than music theory. It's all about enjoying it because it gives you that motivation to, hang on a minute, I can do this, I can do it. So that's my first priority in the first lesson. Get the basics right, enjoy what you're playing, and know that when you walk out the door, or in this case online, is that you think, hang on a minute, I can play something. This isn't as hard as I thought it could be. I've yet to find a beginner that's actually rang me for lessons and said, can I learn music theory without even touching the guitar? So that's never happened in the 12 years I've been doing this. Now, I have had students, as they've gone a bit further on in the journey, to say, should we start learning music theory? And there's definitely a time and a place for it. But as a beginner, definitely not. It's just don't get bogged down with it. It's about, like I said, it's about enjoying what you're playing. The story of mine is years and years ago when I first started learning to play, and one of my teachers asked me to learn the notes of the fretboard. Now, if you go on Google, just search for notes on the guitar fretboard, and you'll see loads of images. It's just a mass of letters. Now, I did learn this, and when I think back, I thought, probably why? Because I can't remember, it was that long ago, but it was quite a short space of time, I forgot it. So, again, like I said before, there's a time and a place to learn notes on the fretboard, but not until that time comes. Again, just start playing. Just enjoy it. So, the key takeaway today is theory. Don't bother with it. Not at first, anyway. Just enjoy playing the guitar. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment if you think you thought that you would have to learn music theory before you even started playing the guitar, or in your first lessons, or if you have already started playing, did you actually learn some music theory? Because I'd be quite interested to know what you was actually asked to learn. Okay, hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up soon.